Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Power Automate tutorial for the Muhimbi connector. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can sign up to Muhimbi connector and use it in your Power Automate. So let's start with the use case and let's keep it simple. Let's say that if a user uploads a document into the documents folder in SharePoint, the Muhimbi converter should convert it into PDF and the output should be written in the PDFs folder. So first things first, let's go to our Power Automate Designer and let's click on Create. We are going to use an automated flow. Firstly, we need to select SharePoint and select a trigger. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to use the trigger when a file is created or modified properties only. So I'll select the site address. I'll select the library which I need to monitor, that is documents. Next, I need to get the file content. So I'll say SharePoint and I'll say get file content. And to this, I'm going to pass it the site address and I'm going to pass in the identifier. Now that I have the file content, I need to convert this file content into PDF. And to do that, I'm going to use the Muhimbi connector. So I'll click on Muhimbi PDF and here I will select the convert document action. So firstly, it tells me to sign in. I'll click on the sign in prompt. And here, if you are an existing customer, you can put in your email address and your password and click on login. But if you're using the Muhimbi connector for the very first time, you need to click on not a customer and you need to sign up. So I'm quickly going to fill in this form. I'll put in the name of the company. I can select the country. It automatically takes the time zone into consideration. I'll agree the user evaluation agreement. Perfect. And I'll click on register. As soon as I click on register, it tells me or Muhimbi greets me with a message. Thank you for signing up. Please activate your subscription using the link sent to the specified email address. If the email does not reach you in 5 minutes, please check the spam folder or contact the Muhimbi support desk. Let's see if the email has arrived. The email has actually arrived out here. So I can click on this link and I can click on activate subscription. So it tells me that my subscription has been activated. Next, it will send me an email with an API key, the access token, and the subscription ID. You need to keep it handy because if you're going to use code, you can use the API key to do direct REST queries with Muhimbi. So that being said, our sign up process is completed. We will delete this action and we will re-add it. But this time, as we know the credentials or as we have signed up for Muhimbi, I should be able to sign in with my credentials. Perfect. Next, I need to pass in the file name. So I'll say file name with extension. I'll pass in the file content. And in the next step, I'm going to create the file back in my SharePoint document library. So I will type in create file. I'll select the site. I'll select the folder where I want to write the file back. So it's going to be PDFs. The file name would be base file name dot PDF. Now, base file name is a file name without the extension. So you need to manually type in .pdf and then I'll pass in the file content. And I'll give it a name, sign up demo. I'll save my flow. So you see how easy it is to sign up and use Muhimbi in the Power Automate connector. So let's go back into SharePoint and upload a document in the documents folder. So I'll quickly upload a file and this should actually trigger our flow. Yes, our flow is running. It was able to convert the document and create the file. If I go back into my PDFs folder, you see, my friends, I have a PDF that has been created. If you want to get more details about your subscription, you need to navigate to api.muhimbi auth/admin subscription details.aspx. And you see, it gives me the subscription details. It tells me who is the user that has signed up, when is my trial started, and when it will end, and how many operations I have consumed. I have only consumed one, that's why it's showing one. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you. Have a great day and bye bye.